Hi, today we are going to see an interesting product. The product is very small, but its use is very big. I mean, it will save your blood. So, nothing but it is a corner silicone protector. I bought it from Amazon. It cost around 300 for 12 piece. That is different types of package. If you buy more, you can save more. So this is the tiny product. This product is very small, but it is useful in the corners, so it may save your head. So this has white strips in it. This thing can be fixed by ourselves. I will show you how to fix it, how to remove these white straps and fix it. It is very simple. So let's begin. So all the white straps you have to remove like this. So see, I have removed. I think I have removed the even little bit of glue, but that's not an issue. So we can fix it now. So if you have children in your home, I will definitely recommend this product. This product is very useful, and again I want to mention it. If you hit after fixing this product, in that time also you will get the pain, but I am sure that it won't point inside your head and cause bleeding. I am sure of it, but still you will have that pain, but it will be minimum. So take care guys, see you in the next video. Hope this video is very useful for you. Share to the friends who have children in their home mainly. Thanks for watching.